Good morning, guys.
Good morning, guys.
So, yeah, we are trying to make baked oatmeal. And so for this recipe, we're going to use this harvest blend.
Harvest blend nut.
And so because I have kids, I'm going to chop this up to prevent choking. Use 2 bananas. Do you want to mash bananas? You want to mash some bananas?
Me? I'm not very sure.
Why?
Because I'm making the oatmeal.
You're preparing the oatmeal, but it's already prepared. You've already measured out the 1.5 cups that we need. So
The half cup that's what I said.
yeah, you said 1.5.
I said 10 of half.
What is 10 of half?
10 of half is maybe when you go in. But that's what I said when I was like said.
What's that? We did 1.5. We did 1 cup and we did half.
What are we gonna do in 10 times? What
So
I said.
if we had done it 10 times, it would have been 10 cups. And we need 1.5 cups of oats.
Do we need egg?
Yes.
We do?
We need, can you give me the egg? 1 egg.
1 egg. Here you go.
We need 1 egg. Can I use this, please?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Egg.
Then we'll put our blended nuts. Then our blended nuts.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
Good. No, not that. Can I have the cinnamon, please? There you are.
There you go. Thank you.
Some cinnamon. I'll put some chia seeds.
Chia seeds. Then, do we need this?
Yeah, we need a cup of coconut milk.
Coconut milk. I said. We need
1 cup. Wow. One cup of coconut milk.
Then,
Can you help me put the coconut milk in the fridge?
that looks yummy.
Okay, so now it's out of the oven. Let's see. And it's cooled down.
Yum, yum.
Look at your friends. Is it yum? Is it good?
It's good, yum.
You like it?
Good.
It's very good.
Very good.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and hope you try this out. It's good for breakfast, for snack, right?
For lunch.
For what?
For lunch.
For night? For dinner? I think it's for breakfast. Okay, see you in our next video. Bye.
Bye.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm feeding myself.
You want to have some more? Do you really like it?
Really like it. Where are my friends?
They're on the other side.
To outside?
Yeah.
In there?
Yeah.
On your video?